even if I'm in trial, if you call me and you need to talk to me, you're going to get a return call that day. It might be at 9:30 or 10 o'clock at night when I'm finishing up my trial preparation for the next day, but you're going to hear from me, and we're going to go over whatever problem that you have, and we're going to solve it or attempt to solve it. I mean, I've been in trial in Denver where I had a gentleman, we settled this case last year. Another bad story as far as what can happen if railroads or corporations don't take the opportunity to resolve a case. We had a guy that was hurt severely. He couldn't return to work. The railroad had the opportunity to settle the case for about $1 million. They walked away from it. Unfortunately, the man's condition got worse. He required 2 more surgeries. In his second surgery, they were balking on whether they're going to pay for it, and I was actually in trial in Denver, and he called me telling me about it, and I made about 4 phone calls, and we got everything all straightened out, and the surgery was paid for. The sum total of what happened was we came right up to trial again, just to illustrate what I'm talking about, that you've got to be ready to go. Now the railroad called me up the night before a key hearing the next day and said, well, we're willing to pay you $2.5 million. Take it or leave it. And I said, we're going to leave it. And we had the key hearing the next day, and they lost, and they ended up paying a substantially larger amount of money than that. But again, it's all about standing your ground, not taking any guff from these folks, and listening to your client.